Hello guys, today I'm a cat, so let's get into this. This taking a long time. Um, just wait. Yep, just wait. Why it's taking us so long? Oh, I'm here now. What's this? What? Hey dude, I new to this neighborhood. If you want to join our cat gang, you have to prove your worth it. I'll give you a few tests to get to know the house, okay? Wait, how do you get rid of this? Alright. Get to the second floor. Wait, that's our grandma. I'm gonna kill her. I think I just killed my grandma. So let's grab her and run upstairs. Yeah. We're at the second floor. This is the second floor of the house. Mission completed. Okay. There's a thunderstorm right now. Okay, so let's claim the reward, I guess. And let's go down. Cat don't take more damage, right? Yeah, that's why I'm gonna go down. Not the normal way, but the kitty way. I'm down. Moral is this thing, right? Why can't I watch the shot? Watch the shot. What's the shot? What's the YouTube, bro? Watch the YouTube. Nah, it's the app. Let's turn the dance channel. So open that. No. Open this. Oh, that closes the thing. That's just a normal cat. This. Oh, okay. Clean. Yep. Still can't do the more lover thing. Why can I do the more lover thing, bro? Bro, I can see my cat's shadow right now. And I still can't do the more lover thing. Let's just kill grandma or do the book thing. Just kill grandma. Take this, grandma. I want fly. Why is my grandma not dead? I want flying. Take this. Yup. Die, granny. You do this, right? Yeah, you do this. So come with me. I will cook you. I'll cook Granny in the oven. Turn this on, turn this on, turn this on, turn this on. Open this. Yeah, I'm cooking Granny. Now run. How do you wake up all the way there? You wanna go, huh? Yeah, let's go. Take this, Granny. You didn't learn your lesson. So let's do the book thingy. I can't even do the short thingy. You wanna go again, Granny? You think you could beat me? I'm just gonna go up to the second floor. I know she couldn't beat me, but yeah. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Oh no. What's Granny? I don't know. She can smack me, but I can smack her harder. So let's just do the thingy. Yeah. Let's just do the thingy again. Can I escape out? What was that? I don't know. Probably my brother. But I cannot escape out here, bruh. Jump out. Jump out. Wait. No. That's it for today's video. And subscribe